Hey everyone, welcome to Sheba's Cookery World. Today's recipe is a chicken starter which I'm sure most of us would love to have. It is chicken 65. You just need to marinate the chicken with few spices and deep fry them. It is as simple as that. So let's get started with the recipe. Take some boneless chicken and cut them into small pieces. To this, add some turmeric powder, salt, red chilli powder, coriander powder, fennel powder, and some black pepper powder. Mix everything well. Next, add ginger garlic paste, some lemon juice, some curd, and mix it. I'm also adding some Kashmiri chilli powder for the color. Add in some cornstarch or corn flour. You can also use maida instead. Now mix it really well. If you want, you can also add egg white from 1 egg into this. Add in some freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix it. Place the marinated chicken in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now the marinated chicken pieces are ready to be fried. Heat up some cooking oil in a pan or a kadhai. Once the oil turns hot, drop in the chicken pieces one by one. Keep the flame between low to medium and fry them. Keep stirring in between so that it gets cooked from all the sides. Once the chicken pieces turn crisp and brown, remove them onto a kitchen towel. You can fry the remaining chicken in this way. As a final step, I'm going to garnish the chicken with some chilies, curry leaves and garlic. Take some green chilies and slit them into 2 pieces. Now add some oil into a pan. I have used the same oil in which I had fried the chicken. Add in some finely chopped garlic to this and saute for a minute. Next, add in the slit green chilies and curry leaves. Saute everything well and add in the fried chicken to this. Mix everything really well and your chicken 65 is ready. The smell from the roasted garlic, green chilies and curry leaves is so tempting that I couldn't resist myself from taking a bite. And it also enhances the flavor of the chicken. So please do try this and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.